Today I wanted to show you my ProTech alcohol breath tester. It's extremely accurate. It's FDA approved and it's got the DOT, Department of Transportation, seal of approval. Now the breathalyzer comes completely assembled with 5 individually wrapped mouthpieces, which is really nice. There's a detailed instruction booklet, but everything is extremely simple to figure out. It takes one 9-volt battery back here. Once you got the battery on, you've got your test button and your memory button. Test is going to turn it on so you can start doing your test. The memory gives you the recall of the last 5 readings, which can be really important in a clinical setting. I'm going to turn it on. Oops, you hold down to turn it on. Now you got a 10-second countdown that you wait. Then you're going to blow into it for 7 seconds. And you'll hear the beep when I'm done. It clicked when I was done. 0. I haven't been drinking yet today. See how the screens are incredibly easy to read and bright. It's got the blue LED backlight. The mouthpieces can be thrown out. I really like that ProTech sells the mouthpieces in packs of 50 for under $20. You can find that on my review, the link for those. So you do the memory. It's going to tell me the last memory, 0. Second last one was 0. Third last one, 0.52, 0.52. Fourth last one, 0.081, 0.022. So when you hold down the test button, and it'll shut off for you. Oh, maybe you gotta clear the memory. So anyways, that's the ProTech breathalyzer.